Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I went to Tuesday morning, so I have to show you what all I got. So let's go ahead and look. Okay. Oh, now that I'm looking, I'm like, oh yeah. So my cute little Stanley, he just went to a brand new dog groomer's today, and I'll show you the before and after picture at the end. He was such a scraggly muff, so I having to keep turning my camera off for some reason. So anyways, I got him this little guy. It squeaks. He loves the squeak. I gotta find the squeak. Oh, there it is. So it's cute. It doesn't have a lot of fluff, and I think it'll probably last for at least a week. Another thing I got was this little turntable. Now I have, it's for, it was only $5.99. It was the cheapest one they had there. They had other ones, but I currently have all of my like condiments in a flat clear bin, but I thought this would be much nicer to be able to turn it inside of the refrigerator. So I grabbed that, $5.99. First of all, it's a Lazy Susan for $5.99. And then secondly, it will hold those condiments nicely. I also found these with Super Bowl coming up. I like to do the charcuterie boards, and they had these artisan crisps. And this was a black sesame and fig, or fig and black sesame. And they're cute. They're just little tiny crisps there. So I don't know. Are they going to be sweet? Are they going to be savory? Probably a little bit of both, I'm assuming. I don't know. But those are always fun in charcuteries. This isn't a big haul, but it had cute things that I just wanted to show you. Because I haven't been into Tuesday morning in forever. And I went to go look at like their paper craft stuff, and I didn't see hardly any. Their little section is close to nothing. I did find these though, metal bag clips, but I just think they're adorable. Look at all the different sizes and the colors. I love Tiffany, so we're good to go with that. I'm getting a little shine from right here. I can see a shine going in my eye. Anyways, I saw these two big ones, and I'm like, well, those will hold my books open while I am junk journaling, right? And for $4.99, you get 6 of them. You get 3 large and 3 medium. So, and then, I know you guys don't need to hear all of my details, but you can see my crafting room in the mirrors. These are little blind spot mirrors. And I got these to replace the 2 on my car, because I went to my, my car wash, and one time the driver's side little mirror like this ripped off. The next time I'm like, what the heck happened with that? The next time I went through, the other side ripped off and my back windshield wiper. And I'm like, nope, I'm not coming here no more. That is way too hard. So, all right, you guys. This little girl here. This is the whole reason I went. And, oh, I fell in love with her. This is her backside, right? And then look at her front side. Sorry, is this going to be, is that inappropriate? I don't know. It's art, right? But it's beautiful. So she's doing her little yoga. And so I've been doing some yoga in the morning, so I wanted to check that out. But I think she's so pretty. So I think she's gorgeous. And then look at her hair. This is just me, right? It's got the nice wide hips and the little bun on top with some girthy arms there. And so I'm like, oh, she looks just like me. Unfortunately, I'm not to this pose in yoga yet. I would fall right over. But, and my top side is not that perky. But how beautiful is she? Now, she was kind of expensive. She was $15, which is quite a bit for me for a piece that just sits there. But I look at it as like art. I wouldn't think to get art, like artsy stuff from Tuesday morning, but it was nice. And it was really pretty, so I like it. Let me know what you think. Do you think is it an art piece? Do you think it was, probably would have passed on it? So be nice. I love it. And you guys are beauties. I know you will be nice. So I'm going to run off. I'm going to go give Stanley his little treat for being such a good little dog during his new groomers. This was a new one. And they told me, he's so cute. He is the best dog I've ever had, for reals. And they told me he was the best dog that they have had groomed there in a long, long time. So I thought that was so cute, and so that deserves a little treat. So I'm going to go give him his little ducky right now. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye! Show everyone how handsome you are. Oh, look at how handsome you are. There you go, buddy.